Mocking a method outside of a class. I need to write a unit test for credential checking module looks something like below. I apologize I cannot copy the exact code. But I tried my best to simplify as an example. I want to patch Matoda so it returns false as a return value and test myClass to see if it is throwing error. Cred_check is the file name and myClass is the class name. Matoda is outside of myClass and the return value check credential is either true or false. The unit test I currently have looks like. The part 1 want to write in my unit test is return http_exception path. I am thinking of doing it by patching Matoda to return false. After setting the return value, what would be the proper way of writing the unit test so it works as intended?
To mock methods outside of a class. Add a at mock.patch. Within the test method parameter definition, add a parameter. Mock_. Within the test method, specify the return value as mock_ equals. Example. To test a method in a module at foo.py. Notes. When mocking methods, you're mocking the call and therefore if method_1 is in a different module called bar.py, you would still mock it with at mock.patch, foo.method_1. If you want to mock multiple methods, the at mock.patch decorators are applied in nested order. Refer to the example to get clarification.
What you need to do in your unit test to test http_exception return case is patch cred_check.methoda to return false. Instantiate a myClass object. You can also use a mock instead. Call myClass.method, where you can pass a magic mock as request and check if the return value is an instance of http_exception. Your test become
It should work this way.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.